describe it in your eyes. If we could try like we tried before, would you keep on telling me those lies? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? The way you look, you told me it's a look I know I'll never forget. You could have come over tonight.
Yan guys, yung mga manok, organic chicken. Okay, bye-bye.